Eat me.
Try me.
Don't find me.
Regular or regular?
Question number 9. Yes or no? Does intellectual revolution, also called as enlightenment, yes or no? Does intellectual revolution, also called as enlightenment, yes or no? Correct.
Bago po, Eunice! Patingin mo nito sa nila kayo yung matitig. Bago po!
Jumbo. Jumbo.
She was a French peasant girl who claimed that she had been auditioned in which she was to have the doubting to become a king. Clue. Her first name is also the name of a female student from